A positive workplace culture is crucial for any organization aiming for success. It's the heart of how things are done and felt within the company. A positive culture fosters a sense of belonging, purpose, and satisfaction among employees. When employees feel valued and respected, they are more likely to be engaged, productive, and committed to the organization's goals. A positive work environment leads to happier employees. Happy employees are more creative and innovative. This creativity can lead to new ideas and solutions, giving the company a competitive edge. Not only does it boost internal performance, but it also influences a company's reputation externally. On the flip side, a negative workplace culture marked by low morale, distrust, and poor communication can be detrimental. It leads to decreased productivity, high employee turnover, and difficulty attracting and retaining top talent. This negative environment will eventually affect a company's bottom line and long-term sustainability. Therefore, investing in creating and maintaining a positive workplace culture is not just a nice-to-have, but a necessity for organizational success in today's competitive business environment. It requires a conscious and continuous effort from both leadership and employees. Before embarking on the journey of transforming workplace culture, it is crucial to first understand the current state. Start by honestly assessing the organization's existing culture. This requires looking inward and identifying areas that need improvement. Employee feedback is invaluable in this process. Conducting anonymous surveys allows employees to share their honest opinions without fear of repercussions. These surveys should cover various aspects of the workplace, including communication, leadership, teamwork, and overall satisfaction. In addition to surveys, organize focus groups or one-on-one interviews to gather more in-depth feedback. These direct interactions provide valuable insights into employees' experiences and perspectives. Remember that identifying areas for improvement is not about placing blame, but rather about gaining a clear understanding of what needs to change to create a more positive and productive work environment for everyone. Once you have a grasp of the areas needing attention, it's time to translate insights into action. Implementing tangible changes is how you begin to shift the culture positively. Begin by clearly defining and communicating the organization's core values. Open and honest communication is paramount. Encourage employees at all levels to voice their opinions and concerns without fear of retribution. Create platforms for open dialogue and feedback. This fosters trust and transparency. Investing in employee growth and development is key to a thriving culture. Offer opportunities for professional development through training programs, workshops, and mentorship opportunities. Recognizing and rewarding employees' achievements, both big and small, is crucial. Lastly, don't underestimate the impact of the physical workspace. A well-designed and inspiring workspace can significantly affect employees' mood, creativity, and productivity. Leadership plays an absolutely vital role in shaping and nurturing a positive workplace culture. It starts at the top. Leaders must embody the desired values and behaviors, setting the right example for others to follow. They must be advocates for positive change, consistently communicating the importance of a healthy work environment. This involves actively listening to employees' concerns, addressing issues promptly, and providing regular feedback and support. Transforming workplace culture is not a one-time project, but an ongoing journey. It requires continuous improvement and adaptation. Regularly assess the effectiveness of implemented changes and solicit feedback from employees. Remember that building a thriving workplace culture requires a long-term commitment and a willingness to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of the organization and its people.